Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making tomato bread. If you want to know how I made this bread, stay with me till the end. Let's make it together. Here are the ingredients that we'll be needing. Let us first activate our yeast. I will pour 100 milliliters of warm milk into my bowl. The milk is not supposed to be cold nor hot, otherwise your yeast will not activate. I'll be using 50 grams of sugar, from which I will take 1 tablespoon to activate my yeast. I'll be adding 8 grams of dry yeast. Whisk. And cover to rest for 5 to 8 minutes. Here is our yeast after 8 minutes. These bubbles show that the yeast is well activated. I will add in 150 milliliters of tomato puree, followed by the remaining sugar. Add in 50 milliliters of melted butter and 1 whole egg. Whisk. And add in your 600 grams of flour, as well as half a teaspoon of salt, and mix everything together. Sprinkle some flour on your working area. Place the dough on it and start kneading until the dough is very soft. If the dough is sticking to your hands, feel free to add flour. You can heat the dough on your working area. This will also help to soften it. You can see that the dough is now soft. Place the dough in an oiled bowl. Cover and keep in a warm place to rest for 45 minutes. This is the dough after 45 minutes. Sprinkle some flour on your working area and place the dough on it. Cut into 6 equal pieces. and make balls out of them. Here they are. Cover and allow to rest for 45 minutes in a warm place. Here they are after 45 minutes. I will apply a mixture of 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. Then I will bake them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.